Page layout specifies how an object can be viewed by a profile. How objects should be visible to a profile is controlled by page layout. Page layout will control how the object should be visible to a profile. If a user with a particular profile open the object, how the object should be visible to him, which field should be visible, in which format the field should be visible, and what are the corresponding child records that should be visible. Everything is controlled by the page layout. So look at the format: setup, build, create. Then we have objects. Done. If you go to the customer, scroll down, what you are finding? Page layout. New page layout. Person layout. Then we are taking a first section. Basic information. Where you want to display this section? Where you want to display this session? Permission. Where you want to display this session? On the detail page or edit page? Now, I told on edit page. How many columns you want? 2 or 1? How the tab has to go? When you click on the tab, it should go to left to right or right to left. I told top to bottom. Look at this. New. This is a section. Contact information is a section. Another section we have the following data. Address information is a section. Additional information is a section. We have a section with the data. How many columns should be there? 2 columns should be there. How many columns? 2 columns should be there. When I click on the tab, should be top to bottom. That's what I specified here. Then, next, under the basic information, what fields you want to display? Because it's a person, I want to display first name. Because I create a fields which will take a company data, I create a fields which will take a person data. Now, because it's a person layout, I'm creating first name, last name, then we had a customer ID. Then we have owner. No. Then I have some other information like city. This. This is how I created a couple of fields here. Save it. Now what I've told, I have selected some fields, I organized those fields. Now look at the format. Once I created the page layout, go to the page layout assignment, edit assignment. Here we're going to select for system administrator profile. Any user with the profile system administrator, I was giving a person layout. So if anybody have a system admin profile, for them, show this customer object as a person layout. So go back here. Now what was this? first name, last name, city, place, active owner, date of birth, email. Only this data is visible. Actually, in the object, how many fields we have? We go to the object. We have a lot of data. We have a lot of data. But still, I have specified only few fields. I have specified only a few fields. Only few fields are displayed. Now, how it is specifying, boss? How this object should be visible to this profile. Now, if I show this, this will be helpful for me to create a customer. This will be helpful for me to create a customer. Okay, which type of customer? Personal customer. I will be able to create a personal customer data. Now, let me modify again. Go to the person layout. Add one more section. Communication details. Where you want to display? On the edit page. Communication details on the edit page. Here I was giving, like, I want to organize here, city, place. I want to add salary here. Then I was giving, okay. Just select the fields what you need. I'm getting one more section. Just organize the fields as per your requirement. Edit page, current address, this is how you have created. Now go to the customer, new. Look at this. So what was that? How you want the object to be visible to the profile. Anybody with the system admin profile open this object, how it should be visible, which field should be visible, in which order they should be visible. That's what I am giving. It's called customer layout. Are you getting my point? Now, if anybody with a system admin profile open this object, how this object should be visible, which field should be visible, in which order they should be visible. Now let me give you. Now here, I am also saying, if it is a person layout, first name, click on the last name, make it as required. So this field is required only for this particular page layout. Then I told, thank you. So what I'm doing, this is not required for everyone, only for this particular profile, only for this particular page layout the field is required. Whoever is able to see this page layout, only for those people last name and salary is required. I can say which field should be visible, in which order they should be visible, and how they should be visible. Now for rest of the people, rest of the page layout, it is not required. But for the person page layout, last name is required. So what is that? Which field should be visible, in which order they should be visible, and how they should be visible. This is controlled by page layout. At the end of the game, when I'm saving the record, Now I have saved it. Once you save the record, what are the related lists that are visible here? For the customer, there will be corresponding child, corresponding activities, corresponding other. What all the related list that is visible here? Once I save the record, what all the related lists that are visible here? Again, go back to the page layout. In the page layout, we are saying you are able to see a couple of buttons here. You are able to see a couple of buttons. You control it. Which button should be displayed here? I don't want to change record type. I don't want change owner. Clone I don't want. Which button should be displayed? Submit for approval should be displayed. Then related list. What are the related list? Approval history, activities, corresponding loans, corresponding payments. Organizer, save it. What was that? Below the record you are finding open activities, notes and attachments, corresponding loan. All these are what? Related list. Which buttons you are able to see? Edit, delete, submit for approval. So page layout also controls which buttons has to be displayed, what are the related lists that should be displayed. So page layout at the end of the game, what it is going to specify? How the object should be visible to the profile, which field should be displayed, in which order they should be displayed, then what is the format in which they should be displayed. At the same time, it controls the buttons, it controls the related list, and it also controls the buttons. Related list it is going to control. Right. Now let us say loan. For this, I am creating a loan. You have created the loan. Now go back to the customer. When I open the customer, what we are able to see here? Now for this customer, this is the loan record. What are the fields of the child that should be visible on the detail page? What is the page called? Detail page. What is the record is saved? It's called detail page. On the detail page of the record, what all the corresponding fields are visible? Go back to the page layout. Go back here. I selected which fields. In ascending order, descending order. The child record should be displayed in the ascending or descending. Now, what are the buttons you want to display? New, change owner, no problem. Give it. Go back. Fields and you are finding new. Now, which fields of the record should be displayed? In which order they should be displayed? Which format they should be displayed? What all the buttons should be displayed? What all the related lists that should be displayed here? And what are the related lists that should be displayed here? If it is a child object, which fields of the child object should be displayed on the detail page? Everything is controlled by page layout. I hope you are good with this. Now, let me create one more page layout. New page layout. Business layout. Now, if anybody want to enter the company data, Where it should be displayed? Section should be displayed only on detail. Columns, 2 columns, left to right or top to bottom. I told top to bottom. Then go back. First I am going with company name. Ready. Then I am created by. Then we have owner. Then once you got the company name, register date. Then we had annual revenue. GST number. Annual revenue. Then I have one more section. Communication details. Now I have city. I have place. Landline. Mobile number. We have email. It is a company data. Okay. Then I have one more section. And I have registered address and billing address. Save it. What was that? We are giving business layout. In the business layout, we selected what field should be displayed. Then what is that? Buttons. Which buttons you want? Okay. Next, buttons you are taken. What are the fields that you want to make it mandatory? If we say it's a company name should be mandatory. And I told company email address is mandatory. I gave some fields mandatory here. GST number is mandatory. Are you getting my point here? I made some of the fields as mandatory fields. I made some of the fields as mandatory here. With respect to this layout, these are the mandatory fields. Not for everyone. Next, what are the retail list you want to display? I want to go with open activities. Then we have April history, notes and attachments. With respect to this page layout, only these three I am showing you. Previously I showed loan, payments and everything, but with respect to this I am only showing this. Right. Now you have created a page layout, but who can see this page layout? Go to the page layout assignment, click on edit. Now tell for which profile the page layout should be given. Whatever the page layout I have given, it should be given to which profile. Right now I am selecting system admin because I already logged as a system admin. I am selecting to show the output. I told it's a business layout. So I told whenever the system administrator open, show him in the form of business layout. Look at the format. Previously we got different format. Now we are getting a different format, right? So whichever the page layout is assigned, in that way I will be able to see. Now let me open the existing record. Look at this. Now remaining fields are not displayed, right? First name, last name. With respect to this page layout, they are displayed. Are you getting my point? Are you clear about this, sir? So how this object is visible to the profile is given. Now I got for a person there is a different page layout. For a business there is a different page layout. Are you getting my point? Clear? Right? Okay. So what we are doing for a profile, we are assigning only one. I told only system administrator can create a companies. Rest all the profiles can create only customer. Then what I will do? For everybody, I will create only person layout. For system administrator, I will create business layout. I told in the company only system administrator can create, or else in the company only HR operation people can create company registrations. Rest all the people can create only customer, a particular individual people, right? Then I'll give for every profile, give personal layout. For this particular business or particular HR operation, give business layout. Are you clear about this? Clear? Now let us go to the next one. I hope you followed everything, right? So what page load is saying?
Navigation, please.
What page load is giving? Page load is giving which field should be displayed, which order they should be displayed, which field should be displayed, in which order they should be displayed, and in which format they should be displayed, required or not required. Then which button should be displayed, what are the related lists that should be displayed, and what are the fields on the related list that should be displayed. So how did you create this? Setup, build, create, objects, choose the object what you want, scroll down, page layout, new page. Or if you want to modify existing, you can modify existing. Then what we have done? Add the section, add the fields, then add the buttons, add the related list, specify which fields of the child object should be displayed, click on it, then save it. Once it's saved, it, then it asks you for which profile you want to display. Go to page layout, assignment, assign to your profile whatever you want. Right, boss? Clear about this? Now the question here is, every page layout will have corresponding mini page layout. Now I created. Now, once I created, we got here customer ID 008. Here I got. When I keep a cursor on this, what is happening? Pop-up window is opening, which is showing the quick view of the record. In the quick view, what fields are displayed? Required fields are displayed. Whichever the fields I have defined as required, only those fields are defined. What is that small pop-up box? Many page layout. What is that small pop-up box? Many page layout. Now, every page layout will have one mini page layout. Go to the page layout. On the top, what are you finding here? Click on the mini page layout. You tell what field should be displayed. Company name, email ID, city. On the page layout only, we are going to have one mini page layout. Now go to the customer and see. type, city, email. Are you getting my point? So every page layout will have one mini page layout. When you keep a cursor on the record, pop-up window will open showing you the data of a record. When you keep a cursor on the record, pop-up window will open showing you the details of the record. So what is this called? Many page layout. This is called as many page layout. I hope you are good. Many page layout. When you keep a cursor on the record, pop-up window will open showing you the details of the record. Pop-up window will open showing you the details of a record, which is called many page layout. So every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. If I assign a page layout, corresponding mini page layout also will come to you. I hope you are good.
Can we do on standard objects as well, right? Satish?
Any object. Any object what you are able to see is called page layout. When a person log in, click on a new, what you are able to see is a page layout. When I click on a save, when I save the record, what was this? It is a page layout. It is a page layout which they have created and showing you. If I open any one of the record, it is a detail page. How are you seeing this page? It is a page layout. If you are able to see a record in the object or you are creating a record in the object, it is a page layout what you are opening by default, right? Okay. Now, as per our discussion, one profile, one page layout. For one profile, I can only assign one page layout. What if I want to assign more than one page layout? Now, I want the administrator to create, when I'm creating a customer, it should ask me, what do you want to create? You want to create a customer? You want to create a customer who is a person or a company? If it is a company, I have a different format of information. If it is a person, I have a different format of information. Now I am allowed to, now you should ask me, what do you want to create? You want to create a customer or you want to create a company? At the time of creating, you should ask me, are you creating a company or a person? Now you should ask me the choice. Now if it is a company, I have different layout. If it is a person, I have different layout. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Then what should I do? What should I do? You want to assign more than one page layout to the same profile. The same object should be displayed to me in more than one format. Generally, I am assigned with only one page layout, but I want more than one page layout for the same profile. Now, when I go to the bank, when I say loan, they'll ask you. When I say loan, they'll ask me, what type of loan? Education, different layout. For business loan, different layout. Personal loan, different layout. Person is same person logged in, same object I open, but it will ask me which format you want. So what was that? If you want to assign more than one layout to the same profile, then we use a concept called record type. Now I want to create an account. Account, who is an account? Any person with whom you are doing a business is called account. Any person with whom you are doing a business is called an account. When I say account, they are giving a two options. Boss, is it the customer or is it the distributor? Now I am an insurance company. I am selling a insurance policies. Now directly I will not sell the policies. What I will do? I will appoint some agencies. Those agencies will sell them my policies. I cannot reach every customer and sell my policy. So I'll give some agencies to people. People will sell the policies. Person who purchased my policy is a customer. Agency which is selling my policy is a distributor. Both of the people, both of them are doing a business with me. Am I right? So both of them are called accounts for me. Now let us say I am a BMW company. I manufacture the cars and I will sell. Now I cannot open a showroom in every city, number of showrooms in every city and sell. What I will do? I'll give franchises. Boss, you open a showroom on my name, you sell the vehicles, I'll give this much commission on every vehicle. Now, customer who purchase is an account and the company who have taken a franchise for me, open a showroom, they are also an account. Now, their data I collect in a different format. Customer data will be in a different format. When I say account, It will ask whether it is a distributor or a customer. Customer means customer data will be collected. Distributor means distributor data will be collected. Are you getting? So what was that? The same object I was showing in different format. Then I will go for a concept of record type. I'll go for a concept of record type. Look at this example. Build, create objects, customer, what was that? New record. First, record type personal. This personal record type. Now, is it necessary that every record type is visible to every profile? No. It is not necessary that every record type should be visible to every profile. Let me make it okay. Then I told this record type is available for only rest all the profiles will have only one layout. System administrator will have two layouts. It is not necessary that every profile will have more than one page layout. Then they'll ask you, if they open, what is the layout that should be applied? I told for system administrator it should be person layout. For students it should be customer layout. Tell if the people open with this record type, which page layout should be displayed to the profile? I told it is a personal layout. Should be visible to whom? System administrator. When they log in, what should be the layout? I told for everyone it should be a customer. For system administrator, it should be. First look at the output. I'll go with the theoretical concept. Now what I'm doing, click on customer. Click on new. Now what they are doing? They're asking me, which record type? Person or business? I told business. They told me company name, email, GST number. I told I will choose personal. I will choose personal. Last name, first name. Now who is that? Same Satish, same object. When I want to create a record, new, they're asking which type of record? Customer record or a person record? When it's a customer, okay, business record, they're opening this layout. Personal, they're opening a different layout. Are you getting my point? For the same person, same object, I have two different views. Did you get my concept here? So what was this concept called? Record type. Let me give you theoretically. This object I have. Now I have created different page layouts here. I have created three different page layouts. So I have created different layouts. Three different layouts I have created. So on object, how many layouts I can create? Multiple layouts. So this is, let us say, yes, layout. I got three. Now we have different profiles here. Business developing managers, executives, three different profiles we have. Now I told business developing manager an option. For this guy, I gave creation. For him, I told we have a record type, organization, personal. I told FIC. Now when I'm creating, they'll ask you how you want to create. You told organizational, this will open. You told personal, this will open. You told quick, this will open. Depends upon the record type, this is open. For business executive, they gave only two options. They told personal and quick. Quick. Now they told if you are giving personal, this should be open. Quick, this should be open. Now what was that? If this profile, choose personal, this layout. If this profile, choose personal, this layout. This profile with this record type, this is the layout. This profile with this record type, this is the layout. So for this profile, these are the record types visible. If we select this record type, this is the page layout which is going to be visible. Then I told sales head. For sales head, I told you can only see. So you don't have any visibility of record type. So if you look at this, is it necessary that every profile should have access to record type? Every profile should have access to record type? No. Business developing manager have three record types. Business developing executive have only two record types. Sales head has only one page layout. Now business developing manager is able to see in three different format. Business executives are able to see in two format. Sales head is able to see only in one format. So sales head don't have any access to record type. Business developing executive have access to two record types. Business developing manager have access to three record types. So what is that? It is not necessary that every profile should have access to every record type. If this is the profile, which record types you have access? If you have access, what is the page layout that is visible to you? I hope you are good with this. Clear for everyone? So it is not necessary that every profile will have access to every record type. Now let me give you. So how many page layouts I can create? Multiple number of page layouts. Look at this. Profile, I have these are the three record types visible. They are told admin profile with org, business layout with person, quick, you don't have access. Manager profile, business layout. Product profile, so what was that? If this profile open with that record type, this is the page layout which is visible. If admin profile open with org record type, business layout will open. If admin profile open with a person layout will open. If manager profile open with the org record type, business layout will open. If manager profile open with a person layout will open. Open with a quick layout will open. Clerk is able to see only one layout, which is a quick layout. Sales manager is able to see only one layout. What is that? Business layout. Are you getting my point? So for this profile, how many record types are visible? If you open with this record type, what is the layout that should be visible to you? That's what we have discussed. I hope you followed this. Let me give you navigation one more time. Setup, build, create, so we are going with record type. Scroll down, record type, new record type. This record type visible to which profile? All these are what? Profiles. This is the reason why we stopped search layout there and continued with the equation of user and region, because the page layouts and record types are assigned to profile. We should know what profile is that. So these are the list of profiles for whom you want to show. I told don't show this to anyone except to administrator and student. Only for these two profiles you show it. If they open with the following profile, which page layout? Tell which page layout should be assigned. This record type, which page layout? For these two profiles, this record type is visible. When they are visible, when they open, what is the page layout that should be open? Then save it. Are you clear about this? Right. Now, one key point here. Based on the record type, we can control the options in the pick list field. Based on the record type, we can control options in the pick list field. Let us say, I told city. Now I told city, Hyderabad. These are the options what I have. I told if it is a business, I want city to only display Hyderabad, Bangalore. If it is a person, I want to display Hyderabad, Chennai. Now what was that? In the pick list, options may change, depends upon record type. Let us say if it is a education loan, I'll be giving you options like BTech, MTech, MSc, BSc, all these options. If it is a personal loan, I'll be giving only BTech, MTech. I'm giving only particular fields. If it is an industrial loan, I'm giving only BTech, MTech, or PhD. If it is education loan, I'm giving options of, okay, like all the options, 10th, 12th, okay, 10th, 12th, BTech, MTech, ME, okay, BSc, BCom, everything I'm going to give. Now, what was that? Depends upon the type of loan, the qualification of education qualification, I'll be giving different set of values. Are you getting my point? Based on the record type, I want to control the options in the pick list field. Now I told boss. Now they ask you. Now, are you a distributor? Or else let me give you this. Is it a new sale or a service? Now, sale or a service. If I say customer register for the sales, now I'll show the branches of my sales showrooms. If you say service, I'll show the branches of my service showrooms. Right. My service points depends upon type of service you are looking at. If you say sales, now I say Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. If you say service, I may show SR Nagar, Avripet and KBHQ. Now in the same pick list, depends upon your record type, I'm going to show the different options. My service point, if you say sales, then my branches of sales will be displayed. When you say service, my branches of service will be displayed. Field is same, but which options in the field should be displayed is controlled by pick list. Sorry, controlled by record type. Look at the point. Based on the record type, we want to control the options in the pick list. Go to the customer. Record type business. Control city. Bangalore and Hyderabad I give. For what? Business record type. Go to the customer. New. First let us see personal. Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune. The same if I open as a business, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So options in the pick list are modified based on record type. Based on the record type, we can modify the options in the pick list field. Based on the record type, we can modify the options in the pick list field. Based on the record type, we can modify the options in the pick list field. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? Am I clear? So, what is the concept of page layout? Page layout will specify how an object should be visible to a profile. What page layout is going to control? Which fields are displayed, in which order they are displayed, which fields are displayed, in which order they are displayed, then which buttons are displayed, what are the related lists that are displayed there. And it also specifies which format, whether you want the field to be required or other format, will specify it. Now, page layout, every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. Let us see the points one more time. Page layout controls how an object should be displayed to a profile. Page layout controls which field should be displayed, which order, which format, which buttons, related list, object can, okay. On an object we can also create multiple page layouts. One profile will have only one page layout. Navigation, setup, build, create, object name, page layout, new or edit. Add the section, add the number of columns, choose the fields, specify the format, add the buttons, add the related list, specify the fields that need to be displayed on the child records. Then I just give, this is, we are supposed to discuss this in the field level security. I will be discussing this. I will be discussing this in the field level security, not now. This is how we create. Now what is that? Mini page layout. When you place a cursor on a reference link, pop-up window will open, which is called mini page layout. In the pop-up window, which field should be displayed? That is controlled by mini page layout. Navigation I have given. Some use cases I have given. You check it out. Basically, don't worry about the field level. Amma. I given an overall view. It's a field level security plus profile I have given. Don't look at this field level. Rest you can make it. Okay. Then what is the next concept we have given? Record types I have given. Where was that record type? So what is the concept of record type? Use cases I have given, but there is a theory. Okay. Record type. What is the purpose of this record type? If you want to grant more than one layout, if you want to assign more than one page layout to the same profile, use record type. If you want to assign more than one page layout to the same profile, we use record type. What is the navigation we have? Setup, objects, object name, record type. What are the steps involved? Enter record type name. Enable active. Then choose the profiles which record type should be visible. Then assign the page layouts. Profiles based on record type. We can also control options in the list. Now, on the standard CRM, we have some terms like sales process, these are controlled based on the same concept. We'll be looking at these terms in the CRM functionalities. Now, sales process, lead process, service process. This is nothing but in the sales process, in the opportunity object, what are the stages that should be displayed based on the record type. Lead process, what are the options that should be displayed in status field of the lead based on the record type. Now, service process, what are the options that should be displayed in the status field based on the record type. So all these three are what? This will specify life cycle of based on the record type what we have selected. What are the options? Based on the record type, what we have selected, what are the options that should be displayed in the stage field? See, same concept. Record type and opportunity will control which option should be displayed in the stage pick list field. In the stage pick list field, there we are calling record type will control the options in the pick list field. Here directly they gave one name for the process. What is the process? Sales process. In the lead also, we'll see these points down the line. I'm just giving an overview. When I'm discussing a CRM terminology, I'll be discussing this. This will specify life cycle of the lead. Which options should be displayed? Status pick list field. Based on the right. So basically, we want to convey the message that record type will control the options in the pick list field. That's what my intention in giving the points. But in the sales process, there are some technical terms in the CRM which are also controlled based on record type, like sales process, which will control the options in the stage pick list field based on record type. Lead process, this will control the options in the pick list field called status. In the pick list field status based on the record type. Okay. So this page layout, search layout, all this fall under what? View part of MVC. Declaratively, if you want to create any UI, they are created by using page layout, record types, mini page layout, search layout. Are you getting my point? Declaratively, if you want to create any UI, they are created by using page layout, record type, mini page layout, and search layout. These are the concepts what we have. Right. Any other queries from your end? Overall theme is clear, right? Okay. So that's all from my end. From Monday, 1 minute. From Monday, we are going to discuss on security model. Okay. Just we have seen about creation of objects, fields, relations, and UI part. Now we'll discuss on security. The next 3 or 4 classes are very important, because practically when you get into the floor, what topics we generally work are those. So all these are possibility you may work or may not work. For the next 5 days, we are supposed to work on the 5 topics. Everybody will be working on those functionalities, the projects. Now when you get into development or we are working on administrator, the 5 topics what we are going to discuss next week, this is very, very important, and everybody is going to work on daily basis. Right? These are very major topics. This all you may get a turn to work or may not, because your project may be a scratch level project or maybe existing project. But let it be existing or supporting or maintenance project or enhancement project. The security model of OWD, sharing rules, field level accessibility, these are mandatory. Everybody will be working with these topics, even if you are a developer. Right. Yeah, chalo. See you all in the next session.